how does or ikhaya lomoya libafaka kanjani or ba accommodate kanjani abantu abanjenganami, which is inkolo yobuKristu njengoba usuchazile ukuthi we don't normally see abantu abanezipho zobungoma. In fact, if I could go to ibandla lamaKristu, I'm sure kungaqhuma khasha karakraka bafana befuna ukuthi bengiconvert. Yes, befuna ukuthi bengiconvert, bebone ngathi nje a person ogcwele ama demon usengenile. So unfortunately, that's what inkolo has done. It has brought the confusion yokuthi umuntu osuke nesipho sokuxhumana nabantu abangasekho akakwazi ukuxhumana nomdali.
Icraft yakhe ibonakala masithola ama compliment from ama celebrities. If ungawatholi kuyafana ukuthi awenze lutho kubantu. Kulo mhlaba you be somebody the day you have a cold body. It's a jungle out there. Ifa noma bulala and they know.
Sanibonani, dumelang molweni. Asemba wonke umuntu uyaphila and welcome to our show. This is My Views, the talk show, and namhlanje we have a very special segment. You will remember last time we had a very interesting discussion with Ubaba Umgobhozi telling us more about izinto zesintu nobunyanga nobungoma nomehluko phakathi kobunyanga nobungoma. But as you know, in this house we are the platform that is very much interested in knowing more about abanye abantu neinkolo eziningi ezahlukahlukene. Njengoba sila namhlanje we sent out an invite to the Revelation Spiritual Home, where we wanted to know more about inkonzo, and fortunately for us, I told a response, and as sila namhlanje to discuss more about inkonzo, mhlawumbe usazi kabanzi omunye umuntu mhlawumbe ongayazi inkolo or inkonzo ukuthi isebenza kanjani, ikephi nani. So this is the show. This is the day we will have to engage much on it. Please do subscribe, share, nabangazi, and comment lapha so that sizokwazi ukuthi reach a much larger audience. So again, even amamenas ngibingelele baba.
Ninjani mkhulu?
Siyaphila ninjani?
Siyaphila nathi. Sibingelele ama followers wonke wakho. Sibonge futhi nethuba esilitholile namhlanje. Okumenywa kwi podcast My View, My Experience. Expressions.
Yes.
Okay. Lo khuluma ke ngumlandeli uwandile unzakana umnguni umpofano noZulu nomchumane. Siphuma ke kwi institution the Revelation Spiritual Home.
Yes.
Singama spiritual champions under I leadership yenkosi yomoya ubaba Khadebe uphungana umthimkhulu ngela umashiya mahle. Njema sochazile siselana ke namhlanje ngokuhlonipha invite yakho. Sizochaza ke kabanzi nangokubaluleka ngokubaluleka kwe spirituality ezabantu abamnyama.
Okay.
Siyabonga.
So uthena umlandeli. Isikhathi esiningi ngihleze ngizothiwa umvangeli, umfundisi. So umlandeli kuba onjani ke?
Okay. Umlandeli for example ngizoyenza example ngento esikhule siyazi.
Okay.
Under iChristianity sibana abantu abanama titles maybe uba umreverend, bishop, whatever title akazibiza ngayo, but under iRevelation Spiritual Home njengoba ngisho sine founder okubaba Khadebe inkosi yomoya, and then ke manje sibe nabalandeli abamlekelelayo. So for example singathi maybe singabefundisi but asibona befundisi ngokwe title esibizwa ngayo sinabalandeli, sinabaholi, sinabaqondisi, sinabefundisi, sinama students.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. Very interesting. Mhlambe ke if nje singaya direct kuyona. Wenza example right now uthi isibonelo ngenkolo mhlambe sikhule siyazi iChristianity. So that is to show ukuthi i-Revelation Spiritual Home is different from iChristianity. Mhlambe for umuntu ongayazi ke ehleli namhlanje ebukela, how would you define the Revelation Spiritual Home?
Okay, i-Revelation Spiritual Home okokuqala it's an institution.
Okay.
It's not a church.
Okay.
Ikhaya lomoya. Eliphethe i-African spirituality ezomoya zakwantu.
Okay.
So ngasho ukuthi ihlukile kune religion noma ihlukile kune Christianity. Thina si institution ezolekela noma to bring awareness about spirituality. Yes, i-religion sonke sikhulele kuyo yonke siyayazi. But ke i-spirituality besikade sikhona but we are not fully aware ngaso. Ukuthi sikhona siyaphila si-relevant. So i-institution esikuyo i-TRCH ngasho ukuthi imo kakhulu kwizinto zomoya sibhedrize spirituality ye-contested zabantu abamnyama. That's why I said African indigenous spirituality. Spirituality sibhodi sakwazi ukusibhedriza ngendlela yahlukahlukene. Ama-Asia abhedrize spirituality sabo nge-context yabo. AmaNdiya for example, if ungangena endlini zamaNdiya thina abantu bamnyama sinama indawo zo lapho sixhumana khona abantu abadala umsamo. But mongena endlini zamaNdiya nabo bane-altara zabo ngokomoya nge-spiritual sabo labo bexhumana khona nama-ancestors wabo noma namadlozi wabo. So yabona ukuthi spirituality siyasibhedriza but ngendlela enjani eyahlukahlukene.
Okay.
Yebo ngichaza kanjalo.
So it is not a religion.
It's not a religion. Kunomehluko. I-religion it's a system that was formed by a human being noma a human mind. It's an invention yomuntu. That's why you have a lot of systems. Yonke into esenza ku-religion kumele ibe program noma yaziwe ibe nomgomo nema omele ihambe ngayo. But i-spirituality sehlukile. Akekho umuntu oqala i-spirituality. I-spirituality is-natural. Akekho umuntu othi ngikhalela ukuthonga, ngikhalela uba isangoma lento iyazenzakalela. So ubaba Khadebe meke phambi i-spirituality akaqala i-spirituality but uzo-revive uzovuselela i-spirituality. So i-religion into eyafonywa ngabantu then basilethela yona especially thina le Africa. We are not religious ngabantu bomoya ngabantu aba-spiritual but bona beza ne-religion zehluka. Christianity is a religion, Islam is a religion, hence ezinye ezi-religion zinencwadi ngoba le ncwadi incwadi omele uzilandele for i-guidance uma ulandele that certain religion. But i-spirituality asinancwadi ngoba into zomoya ezenzakalayo uyathonga uyaboniswa lento ezenzayo. So into ezithu ehlukile kakhulu kune-religion.
Maybe any argument yomunye umuntu you speak about African and then bese ukhuluma ngokuthi kunama religion afikiwe elethwa eAfrica. Omunye umuntu angathi a religion like Christianity is something that actually started in Africa. Ukhona abantu abasho i-argument ekanjalo. But I wouldn't expect you ukuthi uphendule lapho ngoba mhlawumbe wona ungangaba nalo lwazi because whether you are based on spirituality.
Okay. Ndingaphendula lapho. I-religion ayiqalanga eAfrica. I-religion yafika eAfrica. Yebo ayiqalanga la, ay-originate la. Yafika eAfrica ya-introduce kithi. But ke ngoba ke silekha maybe ulwazi oluphelele and then thina masikhula manje sikhula ngokuthi no i-religion yaqala eAfrica. Abanye bazathi maybe yaqala eEthiopia. I-religion zange iqale eEthiopia. I-religion yaqala eWest and then bayiletha la kithi bayi-introduce la kithi.
Okay. So makhulunya ngo Eliselas. I love the fact that uthinta into yase Ethiopia. Makhulunya ngabo Eliselas. You wouldn't say ukuthi yibo abaqali be religion kodwa yafikela kubona.
Yafikela kubona bayamkela.
Yes. Okay. No izwakala kahle baba. And then sithema sisibheka kwi website yase Khaya Lomoya and we found ukuthi the home was founded in 2009.
Yes.
So manje sikhuluma indaba yokuthi uzofike uthinta ukuthi the religion nomehluko phakathi kwe religion and spirituality. So before then the home was founded. Umuntu who now believes in revelation spiritual home ubeke yiphi ngaleso sikhathi, or are you from Christianity converted to the spirituality mhlambe ungase ucacisele la?
Okay, njengoba ngisho especially thina si generation yamanje ekhule after 1737 unfortunately sikhulele under iyo i-Christianity. Sikhule sonke silandela. So ne revelation mayiqalwa 2009. Yes, i-religion ibikhona besilandela inkolo yobuKristu noma even though besingagxilanga kuyo. Yes, besikade singabantu bomoya but i-religion ibikhona ngoba sikhulise ngayo. That is why nakuyo i-Revealing Church of God by then besilandela i-Christianity but besinensebenzo besizikhipha ama spiritual rituals. Bese siyazi ke in Christianity abawakhipha ama spiritual rituals bona balandela igama nencwadi just ukubonisa ukuthi besilandela ngoba sikhule phansi kwayo. uJesu kithi uzowaphendwa ngoba human nature uthi uzalwazi uJesu inkosi nomsindisi wakho njengomntwana umntwana ngeke umtshele ukuthi nangu ubaba wakho nangu uma wakho uthi makuyekhulu yazi balo ubani umama so ngendlela ireligion abayinstila ngayo kithi uJesu bese kenjalo uthi uphuma esibelethweni soyazi uJesu inkosi nani nomsindisi but sike masamba ke isikhathi through ukwambulelwa ngasho ukuthi futhi lawo ngama benefit uba phansi komuntu oboniswa uyinkosi yomoya the masamba ke isikhathi sisambulelwa ngamaqiniso ngeChristianity angeke ngithi futhi wa converted zange sibe but sisukile through ukwambuleleka ye ku Christianity noma bese ngagxilanga kakhulu esikwabanye kwabanzima ngoba vele ya instill and for isikhathi eside kithi abantu abamnyama but sikwazile ke ukuhlubuka kuyo Christianity saba ngabantu manje abalandela pure African indigenous spirituality yiko namanje mangithi pure ngisho ukuthini asimix ubona la ngaphandle zikhona indawo zomoya but ezisa mix thina manje asimix landela African indigenous spirituality pure singahlanganisanga ne-religion.
Okay. You speak about ukwambulelwa. It's very interesting uma umuntu ethi mina ngambulelwa and that's why sengila ngikhona. It's because sengimbulelekile. Would you then say ukuthi umuntu mhlambe who still in Christianity lo umuntu ongakombuleleki noma mhlambe usembulelekile but yena ukhetha ukuba la ekhona njengamanje
ningathi maybe akakambuleleke ngokuphelele about his spirituality noma about the identity yakhe ngoba if angayithola identity yakhe uzoyazi indlela okumele akhonze ngayo uNkulunkulu wakhe ngendlela yakhe but for the fact ukuthi usalandela ireligion akakambuleleki yes unomunye umama wakho wachaza ebona noma recognize ukubaluleka kwe-institution revelation wathi singabantu sokuyinkolo obuKristu uthi njengaye ndikuyinkolo obuKristu akusimi kuphela sinemibuzo andinkolo obuKristu but unfortunately asibe nampendulo ngiyabonga ubaba Khadebe ngoba wakhe ama-institution lapho sifika khona sihlale phansi khona siphenduleke kwemibuzo ebesinayo sasekuyo ireligion
then the following question would have been ukuthi what is the difference between the Revelation spiritual home and other traditional churches esiwaziyo mhlambe singawabala namaroma sibala amaCatholic namanye amaningi but I think nomuntu obukayo la ekhona usephendulekile in a sense yokuthi uma sikhuluma nge-revelation spiritual home asikhulumi nge-religion it's not a church but it's a home, it's a spiritual home. And then uthinte nendaba yokuthi ke inkolo or a religion is something that comes to Africa, and I'm very, very interested in that because I take notes ukuthi abanye baze bathi before kufike inkolo mhlambe yobuKristu la eSouth Africa besithi masikhuluma noma sikhothama sithi mvelinqangi.
Yes.
So uma ngithi mvelinqangi ngenzani ke lapha? Is that my spiritual connectivity to ongabona noma that's a religious concept?
No. Uma befika la abafikanga singakhonzi bafike esikhonzi.
Yes.
But isipetриze ispirituality.
Okay.
Khumbule umdali ucreator uyedwa. But lo mdali udala izindlela ezahlukahlukene, meaning each and every nation inendlela yayo yokuxhumana nomdali wabo. So nathi mebefika la bafike sinendlela yethu. Uma okhokho bekhuleka bathi Qamatha Mvelinqangi, they were referring to higher beings, bebe refera kuye umdali ucreator.
Okay.
Yeah, bebemkhonza ngendlela yabo. So bebengakhonzi with a religious context.
Yeah.
Le bafike bona basifundisa yona, but besimnqula ngendlela yethu.
Okay.
And simbiza ngamagama yena umdala akazambule ngayo kokhokho bethu oQamatha Mvelinqangi.
Oh.
But it's referred to the same God. Lo bona abafika ba introduce abona ngendlela yabo. But manje bafika bona basiconvecta basusa kulo esimkhonza thina ngendlela yethu ba introduce wabo. Lo owabo manje omela ukuthi singakwazi ukuya thina kuye ngabantu bethu abathunyelwe kithi kumele siye through lo muntu oyedwa okunguJesu. And lo Jesu masiya ngaye futhi kumele thina siqale silahlekele identity yethu ngoba phela moya yamkele lenkolo kumele uqale uhlukane neidentity yakho. That's when ke manje uzokwamkeleka ukwazi ukuxhonyaniswa noNkulunkulu wabo.
So uthinta la mlandeli indaba enkulu wena uvumelana noma uthinta indaba yomveli inqangi nangendlela kade sikhuluma ngayo phambilini okwazi ukuthi sixhumane noNkulunkulu. So omunye umbuzo ongathi kwezinye izinkolo mhlambe mabekhuleka bathi bona uNkulunkulu base ubani uNkulunkulu Buddha uNkulunkulu Allah uNkulunkulu bababize ngamagama ahlukene bese bethi abanye abantu no labo bantu akubona uNkulunkulu abaprofeti or izithunywa zikaNkulunkulu. So ekhaya a spiritual home, Revelation spiritual home, masithi uNkulunkulu sikhuluma ngobani, sikhuluma ngani?
Ngizocela ke ukudlulisela kuza kwethu Sithembiso akwazi ukuqhubeka ngalombuzo lo oceda kubuza manje.
Okay, all right.
Before ngiphendule umbuzo wakho ngizothanda ukuqala ngi-introduce nami ukuthi igama lami nguSithembiso kwaXaba uShwabadu noNkosi uNtsingizo Songotho Mlotshwa.
So wena ngimadwa.
Nami ngiqhamuka khona Revelation Spiritual Home ngaphansi kweguidance eNkosi omoya babuzilezwe nami ngomunye wama spiritual champions ekhayeni.
Okay.
I think ubuze umbuzo that is very interesting.
Yeah.
Lo mbuzo lo umbuzo oconfuse abantu abaningi.
Yes.
Ubuze ukuthi uNkulunkulu thina ngokwase Revelation ubani.
Yeah.
Sizoqala nje ngithanda nje uqale ngichaze indaba yakhe uNkulunkulu.
Okay.
Yazi mangasi isizwe silahlekelwe indlela zethu silahla yonke into. So even igama leli lithi uNkulunkulu ama colonizers ethu mayefika la azange understand ukuthi sasikhuluma ngobani, ayicabanga ukuthi sasikhuluma ngomdali. When you speak about uNkulunkulu leli gama leli balithathela ekuthini okhokho bethu before babe khuleka kumkhulu omkhulu okuyi one of ama ancestors oqala because thina asiwona ama descendants ka Adam and Eve njengoba behlezi bechaza siqhamuka kuphi kokhokho bethu omkhulu.
Okay.
And omkhulu wayesinye isidalwa sase-Africa okhokho bethu ababekhuleka kusona. So now mangasiza ku-African spirituality or size Revelation Spiritual Home because usibuze nge-Revelation Spiritual Home.
Yes.
Revelation Spiritual Home kune hierarchy yakhona kodwa le hierarchy engikhuluma ngayo is not necessarily ukuthi eyase Revelation Spiritual Home but i hierarchy spirituality. When you speak about the hierarchy with spirituality unomdali of which a creator. Revelation ke isithunywa sika Baba Hadebe samambulelo ukuthi uyimfihlo enginaphakade because akekho umuntu okwazi ukuxhumana nomdali ophilayo uyimfihlo umdali. Then bese kube khona ama deities idalwa. Ubaba Hadebe ke njengoba inkosi yomoya wembetho esinye seyidalwa esisidalwa esizoguide isizwe njengoba inkosi yomoya spiritual guider umbetho isidalwa esizoguide isizwe. Because thina eAfrica njengoba ngichazile kunomdali phezulu ultimate umdali wezinto zonke. Then umdali akekho operational.
Okay.
Mangakufika izinkolo ezithize zafika zenza umdali ngathi operational. Ingakho kunabantu namhlanje abathi umdali ungithuma ukuthi.
Yeah.
Umdali akekho operational. Kune hierarchy ezweni lomoya. Umdali une order. Kuba umdali creator imfihlo enginaphakade. Kube ama deities. Ubaba Hadebe wembethwe amanye ama deities azoguide isizwe. Then ke ama deities amkhetha umuntu oyi1 kwi-African spirituality ukuthi uyena ozoguide isizwe because if now sithi uNkulunkulu umdali uthi nomunye athi umdali uthi ayisekho order. Ayisekho order kwi-African spirituality or kwi-spirituality kune order. So njengoba sichaza ukuthi kunomdali oyimfihlo enginaphakade then bese a delegate idalwa zixhumana nalo osuke embethwe yisona leso sidalwa leso then ke isidalwa leso sithola imessage from kumdali bese sidlulise kulothunyiwe simbethe then imessage bese iyafika esizweni. I-hierarchy spirituality ihamba kanjalo. Akusikhona lento yokuthi kuthiwe uNkulunkulu ngithunywe uNkulunkulu uthi because siyabona kwezinye izinkolo unfortunately mangasikhuluma ngalento sama ukukhuluma ngespirituality so phinde sithinte ezinye izinkolo because
eAfrica saphazanyiswa ezinye izinkolo sasiyazi indlela yethu but kunezinkolo ezafike zasiphazamisa. Now siyabona emhlabeni ukuthi kune chaos, kune confusion.
Yeah.
When everyone ethi athatha incwadi ethize ekuthiwa iBhayibheli ayivule athi umdala ungithumile kuukuthi namhlanje kuukuthi namhlanje kuukuthi and lento isisixakile mangasikhuluma iqiniso. Even ugovernment imxakile ingakho eqhamuka nemithetho ethize ethi kumele kuregulate izinkolo. It's not a solution ukuregulate izinkolo. Iproblem iqala ukuthinini vele singabi nayo identity yethu sabantu abamnyama because if besazi ukuthi identity yethu ime kanjani besazi hierarchy yethu ukuthi ime kanjani sixhumana kanjani nomdali bengezuba khona yonke lento ukuthi kuvuka umuntu ekseni athatha incwadi ethize besathi uthunywe umdali because beso understand awuvulela kibandla beso mbuzo ukuthi sasikhona inisipho kini wena before because even indaba yayo ukuthi umuntu kuthiwa umbethe isithunywa akuzuvele iqale ngaye namhlanje kumele kube kuthiwa lo muntu kwakuvesi kunesipho sabantu ababesebenza kanje.
Okay.
Injalo indaba yeAfrican spirituality.
Then uthi umdali uthena lo oyimfihlo engonaphakade.
Yes.
So akekho umuntu okwazi ukuthi axhumane naye from
le dimension esikuyo.
Esikuyona. So ukuze ngikwazi ke ukuthi makhona into engiyicelayo noma into engiyifisayo ubani efanele ngixhumane naye kuqala ukuze mhlambe lo umyalezo ukwazi ukuthi udlulele.
Okay, njoba ngichazile ukuthi kwi-African spirituality sineyidalwa.
Yes.
Sine order.
Yeah.
Then bese kube khona lo thunyiwe.
Okay.
Oyini? Oyi spiritual, physical, central figure. Uyena oxhumana nezwelo moya. So thina ke because uyabuza ukuthi if manje ngifuna ukucela izicelo zami ngicela kuphi?
Yes.
Njengoba kunalesi sidalwa esingaphansi kwaso ekuyisona esembethe lo thunyiwe sikhuleka kuso ke lesi sidalwa lesi sidalwa kube yisona esidlulisela kuzona izicelo zethu kumdali.
Okay.
Then umdali bese ebuyisa ama solution through sona lesi sidalwa mangasifika ke asikhulumi nami sikhuluma nalo thunyiwe then lo thunyiwe ke uba nama solution ukuthi abantu njengoba benenkinga kanje abasizwe kanje abantu njengoba benenkinga kanje abasizwe kanje. I-order kamdali ihamba kanjalo ngokwe-African spirituality.
Okay, mhlambe ngaphambi ukuthi ngidlulele komunye umbuzo embuzweni yethu and then sengifascinated ekuthenini ke njengamanje sithi udokotela noma umprofeti uzwilezo. So uma ake sithi yena ke akasekho isiphiwo siyadlulela esizukulwaneni sakhe noma kuba omunye umuntu from the spiritual home ophakanyiswayo ukuthi amandla nikezwe yena ukuthi ke akwazi ukuthi asixhumanise nalo ungabonwayo.
Okay, ukuphendula umbuzo wakho noma ngeke ngibe specific.
Yes.
Because naye ubaba uHadebe oyimboni kahle aphinda abe inkosi yomoya. Uclarify indaba
yami bengifuna lelo gama.
Uclarify indaba kaMprofeti because nale leli gama elithi improfeti lafika nabo laba ababefike nenkolo la.
Ngamuzwe lihlaba impela lingibalekele leli lithi imboni because ngiyakhumbula ngimlalela la ku YouTube elihlaba elihlikiza leli la prophet.
Igama leli esalinikezwe lafika nabo laba befika nezinkolo zabo. Of which asisho ukuthi li wrong li right kubona kodwa eAfrica thina sasigenabo abaprofeti sinezimboni siphinde sibe namakhosi omoya. Ubaba uHadebe ke uphethe ko2 uphethe umboni aphinde aphathe ubukhosi bomoya.
Okay.
So uphendula umbuzo wakho noma ngeke ngibe specific kumbuzo wakho.
Yes. Sinje nje manje uyakhothama God forbid kwenzeka anything noma mhlamba akasekho ke senze njani ke manje
njengoba ekhona namhlanje baba uzilezwe wahlelwa ezweni lomoya ukuthi kumele abekhona azoguide isizwe. Ukuphendula kumbuzo wakho ilona izwe lomoya elaziyo ukuthi mayengasekho sizophinde sixhumane kanjani nalo. Ilona elazi izwe lomoya. Angeke mina ngikwazi ukuthi ngikuphendule lokho because izwe lomoya elaziyo because nokuthi abekhona izwe lomoya ehlelile ukuthi kumele abekhona.
Okay. Speaking of being blessed and speaking of gathering ulwazi olunzulo ngeenkolo eziningi ezahlukene. So I told you that namhlanje I'm very much blessed. I'm not only blessed ngeinsizwa, I'm also blessed ngama lady. So right now usise ngihleli naye ubani? Ngazi usise kanti mhlawumbe umama hey.
Usis.
Yeah.
Safely.
Okay.
Okhulumayo uLungelo wakaZuma umsholozo Nxamalala ulugatsha kaMatomela also come from the Revelation Spiritual Home under the banner of Ama Spirituality Champions. So we are here to just basically champion his spirituality.
Yeah. Okay. Beautiful. Speaking of championing, ngibuka ingalo zakho. Ingalo zakho awuhambi wedwa. Ukadiwe.
Definitely.
Ukubuka ukugadwa kwakho asimenywanga kodwa ke sima views sambona nje sekanje asasingekho sidlanga inyama but ngibuka ukuthi ugadiwe and ukubuka kwami ukugada kwakho and it touches a lot entweni zesinto ukuthi ekuyinto futhi ekhaya ekuyinto elandelayo noma epracticewayo kakhulu. So as to say ukuthi umbuzo wami engingazi noma bakhethe ngoba nawo noma kunjani but umbuzo wami enginawo for wena ukuthi einkolweni eziningi unfortunately we keep touching nakwezinye inkolo because we are trying to draw reference. Kwezinye inkolo kuthiwa if you are a Christian or usindisiwe and that is how they will roll and ezinye izinto more especially izinto zesinto abazenzi bese kuba khona amanye ama Christian yo ama Golden iZayoni mhlambe ukhona namanye othola ukuthi
they are mixing.
Yeah, they are mixing izinto zeKristu baphinde futhi bahlabe bazenze zonke lezo zinto lezo ezithinda ukuhlaba. So which brings me to a question yokuthi la ekhaya ke at the Revelation Spiritual Home.
Yes.
Isintu umngoma namadlozi kulinka kanjani ukuhlangana kanjani ne-spiritual home?
That is actually a very beautiful question. I'll just
it's fine any language.
Languages.
Yeah, it's fine.
For understanding, because I'm understanding with some viewers are not just Zulu people, Kona Matswana,
that's correct.
However,
yes.
So ekhaya lomoya njengoba besesebechazile abakhulume phambi kwami ukuthi we practice spirituality. Spirituality is ukuthina basically as ama humans in all races sihlukene kabili. We have umoya and the physique, right? Physically is what you see, what you're seeing right now. Imina lo enyamini. But who is speaking? That is umoya wam, because if umoya wam uhlukana nenyama yam, I won't be able to speak, but inyama yam izobe khona, right? So umuntu osuke enesipho sobungoma, umuntu osuke physical form yakhe ikwazi ukhabarisha different spirits. Uyakwazi ukuthi uxhumane nezwe lomoya abanye to an extent of inviting umunye umoya lento ekuthiwa ukufemba or whatever the term they use kwamanye it's common go Mozambique where if I'm speaking to a spirit ugogo wakho kunokuthi ngikutshela ukuthi ugogo wakho uthini ugogo wakho Olhannes uzongena emzimbeni wami umuzwe nawe ngokwe voice umuzwe nangokwe terminologies asisebenzisayo ukuthi no this is my granny ngisho ngathiwa indlela ngibiza ngayo ngiyeza ukuthi ugogo lo. So under spiritual home njengoba besesechazile ubaba Maxakane ukuthi inkosi yomoya is at the top. So sine hierarchy, right, esilandelayo. So we have umdali at the top, we have idalwa, and then we have ama physical spiritual central figures laba abantu abafana nenkosi yomoya abantu abanesipho sokuxhumanisa izwe lomoya nezwe lenyama. Then under inkosi yomoya we have izidalwa which is amadlozi nethunywa under or in the inner earth. Ngisazoyichaza kahle inner earth ukuthi ikhuluma ngani. Then we have abantu, right? So mina as isangoma angifiki kwi level yenkosi yomoya because I don't speak to izithixo, or I don't speak to izidalwa, what we call gods in English, right? I speak to abadala, or I speak to abaphansi, or I speak to amadlozi. That's the level engilimited kuyon. Unfortunately, amadlozi abantu abaphila emhlabeni abaxhumani ncam nomdali. But that does not mean ukuthi abasabeli kumdali. That is why kunale hierarchy noma kunale order, because you see isintu sethu is very organized. Yabo, spirituality is very organized. Kahle kahle ukuphila kwabantu is very organized. Into yaletha disorder is inkolelo ezachitha indlela esasihamba ngayo, which is why today it seems like umuntu oyisangoma it's just a taboo ukuthi ulandele umdali, uyakholeka nawe kanti amadlozi akhe asuke sekephi if awukhulumi nomdali, or if usukhuluma nomdali. So to answer your question, how does ikhaya lomoya libafaka kanjani, or ba accommodate kanjani abantu abanjenganami, which is inkolo yobuKristu njengoba usuchazile ukuthi we don't normally see abantu abanezipho zobungoma. In fact, if I could go to ibandla lamaKristu, I'm sure kungaqhuma khasha karakraka bafana befuna ukuthi bengiconvert. Yes, befuna ukuthi bengiconvert, bebone ngathi nje a person ogcwele ama demon usengenile. So unfortunately, that's what inkolo has done. It has brought the confusion yokuthi umuntu osuke nesipho sokuxhumana nabantu abangasekho akakwazi ukuxhumana nomdali. Why? Because they removed zonke lezi zinto ezi in between, ba remove ithixo bathi ithixo azikho, there's only one God and indodana yakhe esikwazi ukuxhumana nomdali. So because they removed izithixo, they removed izidalwa, which is amadlozi wethu nezithunywa zethu. Of course they can't now remove that out of equation and then bephinde besamkele thina esikwazi ukuxhumana nabantu abaphansi. So ekhaya lomoya, because we practice spirituality and we understand the hierarchy, as izangoma we go siyosabela kumuntu omkhulu or kumuntu obona beyond level engikwazi ukubona kuyona. I think bamaxana uchaze kahle mayethi siyabona noma bakhona abantu abanezipho like myself, like mina ngisebenza nge-individual, like ubechazile ukuthi ubaba usebenza ngesizwe, ubonela isizwe. For instance, i-major shift asikho isangoma nesisodwa esiyibonile. Not even one sangoma could say ukuthi no ngabona nami ukuthi kuzoba ne-major shift. And if we alalela even ama-prophecies, ngiyaxolisa, I'm not going to mention names, but I'm just going to make reference to the common ones. Oh papa esibajwayele, they'll speak about I see a red fridge, I see water. Uyabo into enga affect everyone usuke khuluma nawe as an individual. So ukubona kwabo noma ukubona kumuntu osuke eyinkosi yomoya noma osuke eyimboni is broader than umuntu osuke njenganami. For instance, nami or umthandazeli, umuntu okwazi ukubona to a certain level. Asisho ukuthi because of that ke ngoku you are irrelevant or whatever. No, siyadingana sonke because sinama roles esiwadlalayo. So within ikhaya lomoya we do have izangoma, we have abathandazi, we have abantu abayamagedla, we have abantu abayinyanga bazosabela enkosini yomoya, because inkosi yomoya iyona ekwazi ukusixhumanisa noma sizwa indaba zikaMdali through isithunywa esikhulu, or a deity, a great deity exhumana nenkosi yomoya. So because I can't speak to the upper kune organization, ikhaya lomoya nama organizations amaningi, but there's an organization called the African Hidden Voices, right? Okay. And although it's not limited to speaking about izinto zekhaya lomoya, but iyasiza with breaking down scientifically, research-wise, more about izinto zekhaya lomoya. So we have a book, right? It's called The Introduction to African Spirituality. It's found in my exclusive bookstores, Takealot, and online, right?
I wish we sinalo. Besiphethe namhlanje. Nami ngishiyele.
So Patela next time, don't worry.
Okay.
So in this book there is a very beautiful summary of the upward and the downward theory. So the upward theory is telling us more about who kahle kahle speaks on behalf of umdali and why abantu abagifted njenganami abayizangoma have to ukusabela to abantu abagifted njengenkosi yomoya. Why is it important for us to submit to a higher order? Because umuntu onamadlozi nginabantu abaphila emhlabeni, they do not know about indaba zikaMdali, or which is why they need to ukusabela kubantu abaziyo ngeindaba zikaMdali. Umuntu noma isidalwa esikhuluma ngeindaba zikaMdali asikaze siphile emhlabeni, or a deity has never lived. But kunalento ekuthiwa, I think they speak about it in the book as well, a reincarnation, incarnation. Other spiritualities like Buddhism, your Hinduism, and all these other religions are corner. They sort of speak about it as well, a reincarnation. So mina njengoba ngila kunokhokho wami owayesangoma, she is reincarnated in me. Noma engahleli permanently, because umoya wami is separate from umoya kagogo, but ubani ongitshela indaba zakho mawusuku ufikile endumbeni, it is ugogo wami. So ugogo wami ukwazi ukuxhumana namadlozi wakho, then amadlozi wakho atshela ugogo wami ukuthi lo mntwana njengoba ela unalenkinga nalenkinga nalenkinga, then mina from ugogo wami ngichazela ukuthi okay kahle kahle unalenkinga unalenkinga unalenkinga. Same way ke we upper level izithixo aziphilanga noma abantu abangaphilanga in a physical form, or if they did live in a physical form, they were very different. Like for instance, I think it's Cradle of Humankind, Yabab Cradle Mutwa in Johannesburg. It speaks about unomkhubulwano, it speaks about umlenze munye. That is izithixo ekhaya lomoya esizrecognizayo as well, right? Because it's creations or idalwa is it different? Like they don't come in just typical human form. They are like superhumans in a way. So kune moya yabo, then kunale moya yemi moya engakazi ziphile like kubona. I don't want to confuse you and go more into that. So I'm just going to leave it to that. Kumela bantu bomngoma noma bantu abasabela under downward theory noma amadlozi besabele kubantu abakhulumela indaba zikaMdali. So I have to, or else I'll be misguided.
Listen, I don't want to lose my trail of thoughts. I can see you are shy to yes, from listening to you, I can listen to you the whole day. I think we need another segment, and there's so much information that we need to get from you. Because as you speak right now, I'm thinking of something that I was watching and reading 2 days ago about a place in Mpumalanga.
Yes.
What they call la kuphuma khona ilanga. That was so fascinating. So even before these people that came in here, we had izinto that older than the pyramids. Esasikwazi ukubona ngazo isikhathi, calendar.
Yes,
Bayibiza asazi ukuthi what's calendar, Adam's calendar. Because this Adam saw this thing in 2003, say ishintsha sathi Adam's calendar, kanti inegama lesizulu. Angisazi noma isenzalweni yelanga noma ikephi. So inzalo yelanga. So bakwazi ukubona ngayo isikhathi, bakwazi ukubona ngayo icalendar. So as you speak, I'm more fascinated. I'm like, we need to have you more. But now, before I let you go, uyakwazi ukubona like uthe ukwazi ukubona like umuntu like on one-on-one basis.
Definitely.
Where are we going with this podcast? Ubona
I don't kiss and tell. I don't kiss and tell.
Oh.
The future is bright though.
The future
I don't
is
kiss
bright.
and tell. All I can say is not from Level Emadlozi or prophecies.
Yeah.
I think energy is important, right? Ekhaya lomoya, inkosi yomoya speaks about energy, nezinto ezinjalo.
Yeah.
So focusing on reviving umoya wizidalwa zethu, I think even izwe lomoya will be attracted to assisting this podcast.
Yeah.
Ukuthi cool. So you're on the right track. You're
You
on
know
the
the
right
nice
track.
part about me, I'm not sure whether mina. So ngisho ngafika umuntu futhi ekhona la kwenye inkolo. Will say yabona wena this kukhona umunye ubabeza sinayo wakwashembe.
Yes.
And then naye he blessed and not I'm like I'm welcoming all the blessings. No.
There's a part before I leave,
Sure.
which I think is very, very important to clarify, right?
Okay.
You spoke about abantu who are in between, like Izayoni and all the other people that mix, right?
Yes.
I think those people are not Gabi, Hangisho Gabi, but they are dangerous, kahle kahle, because besides the fact that they are bringing more confusion kule clarity ezama ukuthi lethwe izwe lomoya through inkosi yomoya. These are people who are in denial of the fact that inkolo, it's the same people who speak about, like we said earlier, Ethiopia, kahle kahle uJesu wayemnyama and whatnot. Those are people who fail to accept the fact that Christianity or religion is not originally ours, and they want to fuse or mix inkolo with spirituality and make it into this beautiful one thing. Unfortunately, these things are contradictory. Inkolo is very specific. If you read the Bible, it's very specific. Amadlozi aswakhonzi, ungakhonzi ezinye izithixo, ungabi nabanye unkulunkulu ngaphandle kwami. And inkolo,
Exodus 20.
I don't even
Go
know.
on.
Yes. You know, ungabi nabanye unkulunkulu ngaphandle kwami, ungayenzi imfanekiso so and so and so. It's very specific. Maubheka spirituality says no, but umdali as this mysterious being mkhulu. We can't just confront umdali as the lowest beings ezake zabakhona directly. Kumele ukuthi sihloniphe idalwa azibekile. It's like how we work in the world. You cannot confront a president. To get to a president or Ramaphosa, there are officers. Ekumele ukuthi wabhalele. There is his PA. There is abasebenza kwi office level wama administrators akhona. There are levels before they actually get there, and that's how ama systems of the world are like a mimic of Israel or more. So what people are failing to understand that umuntu no, but under Christianity uJesu inkosi nomsindisi, and ngiseng I was a Sayoni myself, by the way. You know what's interesting? Sayoni, there was one time saya kwenye inkonzo and whatnot, and usually bengithi mangibonela abantu like inkinga zabo or makufika like imibono ngabantu ezumthandazeli lapho kuleyo ndawo, and they would say no ungasho ukuthi umuntu omdala uthi, because that is not umuntu omdala, that is umoya oyingcwele. So from now on say umoya oyingcwele. And I adopted it because I thought, oh, shuthi mina ngiconfuse, shuthi umuntu omdala ugcina esigodlweni or ugcina emakhosini, mase sesenkonzweni akusakhuluma umuntu omdala, sekukhuluma umoya oyingcwele. And at that time it sounded right, it sounded very posh, it sounded, oh, it makes more sense because umoya oyingcwele made sense. But let's be honest, kahle kahle ukuba khona Koma, Zayoni, and all these other churches, Akubayo, it's because when Christianity was instilled, they had to say, okay, you know what, as long as ngiyayifaka ama-elements of Christianity, which is why you'd find, because kuna abanye abantu abathi no, but ugogo wami mdala and usaveza isiphambano, so if uthi isiphambano si wrong, then why ngisithonga or why ngisiphupha? It's because ugogo waphila ngesikhathi sencindezelo isi-instiliwe lento, so ukuze ungabulawa ungahlukunyezwa ngaleso sikhathi, because remember indlela yafika ngayo Christianity, we can't run away from it. It was very brutal. Okhokho bethu died, abanye were raped, you were forced. Robben Island was kunama prisons alaphayana. If you didn't accept inkolo yobuKristu, wawuvalelwe ebumnyameni, ufundiswe utshelwe ngama verses until you accepted.
It wasn't voluntary.
It wasn't voluntary. So we can't shy sikiyeke nje ukuthi ngoba lento it took so many years to an extent where yasibulala umqondo sagcina sesiyamkela thina. It's like i-brainwash yonke lento esiyenze kusebuyithina esiyilwelayo. But let's be honest, ayifikanga kahle. So ngalesa sikhathi ukuze kufana ne-apartheid uthola ukuthi if khona umthetho othi phathi pass ngaleso sikhathi or khona umthetho othile nje okulimithayo, and you try by all means ukuthi ngisafuna ukuqhubeka nento yami ephikisana nomthetho, but ngizoyenza ngendlela yokuthi ngiyayimixa ngifaka ngathi umthetho ngiyawulandela ngiliphethe ipasi but ngizowenza nalokho kwami mhlambe let me make a clear example asike sithi mhlambe edolobheni umthetho ngalesa sikhathi ngesikhathi se-apartheid uthi mawusedolobheni you have to wear ijini nesikipho esimhlophe uphathe ipasi so ngizoliphatha ipasi but I'm not gonna wear ijini nesikipho esimhlophe ngizogqoka ingubo engiyithandayo you see ngoba ngiliphethe ipasi at least within umthetho ngifakile kwami but futhi ngisawuhloniphile umthetho that's the same thing they did with the religion so lezi phambano because azikho iphambana azikho iphika kubuKristu we don't see these things in the Bible eyenziwa yiZion so bayithathaphi they infused spirituality because okhokho ngalesa sikhathi babefuna ukufihla the fact that we are continuing with the spirituality besifake under iChristianity which is why namhlanje mayezoveka why ugogo evela ngesiphika because ugogo wayemthandazi izithunywa ziyandiza noma sihamba phansi sizazi as abantu bomoya noma abantu abahambela phezulu so uma efika ugogo obvious uzofika afake lesi siphambano just so that ku excuse ukuthi isiphika sike eBhayibhelini or isiphika asikho enkonzweni ethile eyayikhona yobuKristu ngaleso sikhathi so just to clarify that part as well.
No, I think it's clear. Shalos, you've said a mouthful.
Thank you.
And I'm sure umuntu obukayo right now is getting excited and mhlambe unawo lo mbuzo naye engqondweni because we're going to invite you guys again but here's a question. Can I be umuntu onamandla wobungoma or ophiwe ubungoma ngiyakwazi yini ukuthi kubuye kusuke ngithi hayi angisasona sangoma sengenye don't answer that today you will answer that the next time
no problem